equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on the Thermomix TM5's closure system. In this tutorial, we will explore the components, tools needed, and maintenance tips to ensure your TM5 operates smoothly. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small brush to remove any debris. Now, let's start by examining the closure system. The TM5 features a unique locking mechanism that ensures the lid is securely fastened during operation. To access this system, begin by unplugging your Thermomix and placing it on a stable surface. Next, locate the screws on the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover to expose the internal components. Here, you will see the closure mechanism. It consists of a latch and a spring that work together to secure the lid. Inspect these parts for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's crucial to address them promptly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice tailored to your needs. Now, let's clean the internal area around the closure system. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any dust or food particles. For hard-to-reach areas, the small brush will be handy. Regular cleaning helps maintain the efficiency of the closure system and prolongs the life of your Thermomix. Once everything is clean, it's time to reassemble the unit. Carefully place the back cover back onto the Thermomix, ensuring that the latch aligns correctly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, to avoid damaging the plastic. After reassembly, it's essential to test the closure system. Place the lid on the Thermomix and ensure it locks into place without any resistance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your appliance serviced without any hassle. Finally, remember to regularly check the closure system as part of your maintenance routine. A well-maintained closure ensures safe operation and optimal performance of your Thermomix TM5. If you need a quote before repair, we are here to help you with that too. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Thermomix TM5 remains in excellent working condition, ready to assist you in your culinary adventures. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.